southwest of the Chicago and Rockford metropolitan areas. This could keep the higher threat for scattered severe storms west of the Dixon to Ottawa-Paxton line. A moist air mass will also be in place, so torrential downpours are likely with well-organized thunderstorms. Given the recent heavy rainfall, flash flooding is possible along with rises on local rivers and streams. The main severe weather threats will be large hail and isolated damaging wind gusts. Moderate to major flooding continues on portions of the Kankakee and Iroquois rivers in northwest Indiana, and moderate flooding continues on the Illinois River near LaSalle. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. There are periodic thunderstorm chances across the entire outlook area Sunday through Friday. Portions of the Illinois, Iroquois, and Kankakee rivers will remain in flood. Spotter information statement. Spotters may be needed in portions of the outlook area this evening.
And now for the regional weather summary. The region saw plenty of clouds during the morning hours with a thunderstorm complex to the northwest and the remnants of tropical storm built to our southeast. Some of the rain showers from the complex to the northwest did move into northwest Illinois during the morning. At midday, temperatures were mainly in the 70s, but remained in the 60s where the rain occurred. We can expect warm and humid conditions this afternoon ahead of a cold front approaching from the northwest. Highs this afternoon will be in the low to mid-80s, but remain in the 70s along the shores of Lake Michigan until late afternoon, before getting into the 80s. Some severe storms are possible late this afternoon and evening, but the highest risk will remain in northwest and western Illinois. In addition, some areas may see periods of heavy rainfall, which in turn will aggravate already high water levels on area rivers and streams. The chances of rain will continue into the overnight hours. A few showers may linger into early Sunday morning for parts of eastern Illinois and northwest Indiana. On Sunday, high pressure is expected to bring most of the region dry conditions for the afternoon with highs in the low 80s. Then low pressure will bring back the chances of rain Sunday night into Monday. At 2 p.m. at O'Hare Airport it was cloudy. The temperature was 75 degrees. The dew point was 64, and the relative humidity was 68%. The wind was south at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure was 29.71 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was 64 at Chicago's lakefront. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 79 at Moline and 82 at Springfield. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 77 at Midway, 78 at Joliet, and 76 at Aurora. Under cloudy skies, Waukegan reported 66, Rockford reported 73, and Kankakee reported 78. Once again, at O'Hare it was 75, under cloudy skies.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Today, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour in the morning, shifting to the south 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows around 70. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s inland, but only in the lower 70s near the lake. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 80 inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 80 inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs around 80 inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KVV 81, serving Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana.
At 1 a.m. at Lawrenceville, light rain was falling. The temperature was 73. Around the Wabash Valley, temperatures were around 70 degrees. At Fairfield, a thunderstorm was reported. Rain was falling at Effingham, Evansville, the Alamy Noble Airport, and Robinson. It was cloudy at Mattoon, Champaign, and Terre Haute. And once again at 1 a.m. at the Lawrenceville Airport, with light rain, the temperature was 73. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, and western Kentucky, including the following areas in southern Illinois: Edwards, Franklin, Gallatin, Hamilton, Jackson, Jefferson, Perry, Illinois, Saline, Wabash, Wayne, Illinois, White, and Williamson. In southwest Indiana, Gibson, Pike, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburg, and Warren. In western Kentucky, Daviess, Henderson, McLean, and Union, Kentucky. Through this evening, given the rain that fell overnight in the Wash area, the ground will be saturated just ahead of additional showers and thunderstorms which are expected to move into parts of southern Illinois during the late morning hours and spread east, southeast into parts of southwest Indiana and northwest Kentucky during the afternoon and evening hours. This will set the stage for rapid runoff of water into areas prone to flooding. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 1/4 inches will be possible in the Wash area. The period of greatest concern for flash flood-producing rainfall will be from late Friday morning through Friday evening. In addition, locations within 25 miles either side of Interstate 64 in southern Illinois could see higher amounts of rainfall with the thunderstorms. As the storms move into southwest Indiana and northwest Kentucky, the coverage and intensity of rainfall may increase late Friday afternoon and evening. Low-lying and urban areas will likely see the best potential for flash flooding today. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take
flash flood warning remains in effect until 4:45 a.m. for Crawford, Effingham, Jasper, and southwestern Cumberland counties. At 11:47 p.m., local law enforcement reported flooding due to heavy rain from Thursday evening. Locally, up to 3 inches of rain was estimated by radar. Heavy rainfall has ended. Law enforcement reports several locations where flash flooding is affecting roadways in Effingham, Jasper, and Crawford counties. Some locations that will experience flooding include Effingham, Robinson, Newton, Altamont, Teutopolis, Oblong, Palestine, Watson, Felix, Hudsonville, Beecher City, Saint Marie, Willow Hill, Montrose, Hidalgo, New Haven, Annapolis, Effingham County Airport, Mason, and Hunt City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 146 and 165. Interstate 70 between mile markers 79 and 105.
The current time is 1:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KXI 48 in Newton. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed.
420 NOAA Weather Radio broadcast interruption. The 420 NOAA Weather Radio broadcast WXJ 58 at 162.550 MHz will experience periodic interruptions today as technicians perform maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause.
Here is the forecast for Angola and vicinity.
Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Light and variable wind becoming northeast up to 5 miles per hour after midnight. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South wind around 10 miles per hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy through midnight. Then mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Approaching the mid-60s area. South wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy with isolated showers late in the mornings. Then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. High in the upper 70s. Light has ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 74 and 77 degrees. In the upper peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 71 degrees under sunny skies. In neighboring states, Milwaukee was 74 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Chicago was 74 degrees under cloudy skies. Once again, at 11 a.m., Grand Rapids was 70 degrees under partly sunny skies. On Lake Michigan, at the Muskegon Lighthouse, winds were southwest at 5 knots, and the temperature was 56 degrees. At the South Haven Lighthouse, winds were northwest at 1 knot, and the temperature was 61 degrees. At the Northern Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 10 knots. Lake water temperature 55 degrees. Air temperature 58 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. Now here is your local forecast. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour through early afternoon becoming light. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Saturday, sunny. Highs around 80. Light winds. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, and showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs around 80. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven to Holland, Michigan. West Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 15 knots, mostly sunny. Areas of fog, breeze 1 foot or less. Tonight, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots veering east toward daybreak. Mostly clear, breeze 1 foot or less. Saturday, southwest winds around 5 knots, sunny. Breeze 1 foot or less. Saturday night, south winds around 10 knots increasing to 5 to 15 knots after midnight. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Breeze 1 foot or less. Here's the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan. West Saturday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, mostly sunny. Areas of fog, breeze 1 foot or less. Tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots veering east toward daybreak. Mostly clear, breeze 1 foot or less. Saturday, south winds around 5 knots, mostly sunny. Breeze 1 foot or less. Saturday night, southeast winds around 10 knots veering south toward daybreak. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Breeze 1 foot or less.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WWF 34 in Plato, transmitting on the frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
At 8 p.m. at Clinton, skies were clear. The temperature was 86, the dew point 79 and the relative humidity 79%. The heat index was 99. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. At Whiteman Air Force Base, skies were partly cloudy. The temperature was 85, the dew point 76 and the relative humidity 75%. The heat index was 94. The wind was southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.82 inches and steady. It was clear, with a temperature of 84 at Warrensburg, 85 at Columbia, and 86 at Springfield. At St. Louis, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 91. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 88 at the Lake of the Ozarks, and 84 at Kansas City. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 87 at Topeka, and 90 at Des Moines. At Omaha, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 92. At Wichita, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 88. Once again, at 8 p.m. at Clinton, skies were clear, with a temperature of 86. At Whiteman, skies were partly cloudy, with a temperature of 85.
The following is a heat advisory for the following counties in Missouri: Bates, Cass, Henry, Johnson, and Pettis. Temperature: high temperatures in the lower to middle 90s combined with high humidity levels will result in afternoon heat indices topping out between 103 and 109 degrees. Conditions on Saturday will be similar, with heat indices ranging from 103 to 110 degrees across the area. By Sunday, most of the forecast area will see cooling temperatures. However, some areas, mainly south of Interstate 70, could see another day of heat indices over 100 degrees. Impacts: the oppressive heat and humidity over the next 2 days will result in an increased risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in air-conditioned rooms. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives and neighbors. The mission of NOAA National Weather Service is to provide weather forecasts and warnings for the protection of life and property and for the enhancement of the national economy. The following is a heat advisory for the following counties in Missouri: Benton and St. Clair. Timing and areas affected Areas from Fort Scott to Warsaw through Sunday. Temperature and heat index. Warm and muggy nighttime and early morning conditions along with hot and continued humid afternoon weather will occur this weekend. Overnight low temperatures will fall into the mid and upper 70s. Afternoon temperatures both Saturday and Sunday will reach the low to mid-90s with heat index values of around 105 degrees. Impacts. Heat-related illness will likely increase during this time. Persons in poor health and the elderly will be at particular risk if proper precautions are not taken. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. This is NOAA National Weather Service Weather Radio, KZZ 39 in Clinton, Missouri. Monday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Chance for precipitation is 50%. Partly cloudy, with a high in the upper 80s. Heat index values as high as 102. Southeast wind between 5 and 7 miles per hour. New rain amounts between 1/4 and 1/2 inch possible. For Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Chance for precipitation is 30%. Partly cloudy, with a low in the lower 70s. South-southeast wind between 4 and 6 miles per hour. New rain amounts less than 1/10 inch possible. For Monday, partly cloudy, with a high near 90. South wind between 4 and 6 miles per hour. For Monday night, mostly clear, with a low in the lower 70s. For Tuesday, mostly sunny, with a high in the lower 90s. For Tuesday night, mostly clear, with a low in the lower 70s. For Wednesday, mostly sunny, with a high in the upper 80s. For Wednesday night, mostly clear, with a low in the middle 60s. For Thursday, mostly sunny, with a high in the middle 80s. For Thursday night, mostly clear, with a low in the middle 60s. And for Friday, mostly sunny, with a high in the middle 80s.
At 10 a.m. at Kirksville, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 74, the dew point 70 and the relative humidity 87%. The wind was east at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.01 inches and falling. The report from Moberly was not available. For other cities in Missouri, it was 80 at Chillicothe. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 82 at Kansas City and 79 at the Lake of the Ozarks. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 81 at St. Louis and 77 at Columbia. Elsewhere in the Midwest, at Quincy, rain was falling, with a temperature of 73. At Des Moines, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 83. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Ottumwa and 79 at Omaha. At the Quad Cities, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 77. Once again, at 10 a.m. at Kirksville, skies were cloudy, with a temperature of 74. The report from Moberly was not available.
This is NOAA National Weather Service Weather Radio, WXM 39 in La Plata, Missouri.
The current time is 11:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
The 6 a.m. forecast is 21.5 feet on Sunday, 21.0 feet on Monday, and 20.4 feet on Tuesday. Here is a look at the rivers in flood across the area. A flood warning remains in effect for the Illinois River at Henry. For the Illinois River at Henry, flood stage is 23.0 feet. The latest stage is 24.7 feet at 10 a.m. Saturday. The river should fall below flood stage Tuesday morning. A flood warning remains in effect for the Illinois River near Peoria. For the Illinois River near Peoria, flood stage is 18.0 feet. The latest stage is 21.6 feet at 10 a.m. Saturday. The river should fall below flood stage Friday afternoon. A flood warning remains in effect for the Illinois River at Havana. For the Illinois River at Havana, flood stage is 14.0 feet. The latest stage is 22.0 feet at 10 a.m. Saturday. A slow fall is forecast. Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 11 a.m., Chicago was partly sunny and 84. Indianapolis was partly sunny and 81. St. Louis was cloudy and 82. Kansas City was partly sunny and 82. Des Moines was partly sunny and 81. Milwaukee was partly sunny and 83. Here is a statement on the heat wave for the following county: Putnam, Illinois. Heat advisory remains in effect from noon today to 8 p.m. this evening. Heat index values, upper 90s to around 100 degrees. Possibly near 104 degrees along and south of Highway 34. Timing, this afternoon into this evening. The following impacts are expected: heat illness to individuals who are outdoors not taking appropriate precautions. And now the regional weather summary. Cloudy skies were seen across central and southeast Illinois through the late morning hours. A few showers and thunderstorms were seen across a few locations this morning as a large complex of storms rapidly dissipated. Temperatures around the area at 11 a.m. ranged from 76 degrees at Galesburg to 84 degrees at Mount Carmel. An approaching cold front is expected to trigger scattered showers and thunderstorms along in the west of the Interstate 55 corridor later this afternoon. As the front slowly gets further eastward and becomes stationary, scattered thunderstorms will continue to be possible across much of the region north of the Ohio River through Monday. High temperatures today will mainly be in the middle to upper 80s, but will rise into the middle 90s further west across much of Missouri. Overnight low temperatures will range from the upper 50s across northern Wisconsin to the middle 70s across Missouri. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXJ71 in Peoria. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Peoria and surrounding areas of central Illinois. Rest of today, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s.
Memphis was 31.3 feet. The 3-day forecast is 31.1, 30.6, and 29.8. This morning's lake stages: Kentucky Lake Pool 359.2 feet, Tailwater 319.6, Barkley Lake Pool 359.4 feet, Tailwater 322.2, Rend Lake Pool 409.1 feet, Tailwater 379.4. Looking at the latest weather maps, upper-level energy tapping into deep moisture is expected to spread showers and thunderstorms across all or part of the area today and tonight. Beyond that, a large upper-level ridge over the southern plains will gradually spread northeastward over an area early this week. This will result in increasingly hot and more humid conditions with heat indices over 100 degrees area-wide by Monday and lasting through Wednesday. Actual high temperatures will be in the low to mid-90s with lows holding in the 70s. Shower and thunderstorm chances will spread southeastward across the region today, then gradually shift northeastward into southwest Indiana tonight and Monday. The best chance of area-wide precipitation is expected to be Wednesday into Wednesday night with the approach and passage of a cold front. The upper-level energy associated with the front will suppress the upper ridge back to our southwest. This, combined with high pressure at the surface, will result in cooler temperatures and lower humidities for the latter half of the upcoming week.
Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast. Today, cloudy. Numerous showers and thunderstorms late in the morning, then scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour late in the morning, shifting to the southwest in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 70%. Tonight, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming calm after midnight. Monday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. South winds 5 miles per hour. Highest heat index readings around 105. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Southeast winds 5 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Highest heat index readings around 107. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s.
Here are the noon observations for the southern Illinois area. At Marion, under cloudy skies, it was 77 degrees, dew point was 75, the relative humidity 94%. Wind was southeast at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.98 inches and falling. At Carbondale, under cloudy skies, it was 77 degrees, dew point was 73, the relative humidity 87%. Wind was southeast at 5 miles an hour. At Harrisburg, light rain was falling. It was 77 degrees, dew point was 76, the relative humidity 96%. Wind was south at 6 miles an hour. And now, some additional observations. At Metropolis, rain was falling, temperature was 74 degrees, the wind was calm. At Cape Girardeau, under cloudy skies, it was 77 degrees, the wind was east at 10 miles an hour. At Sparta, Illinois, under cloudy skies, it was 76 degrees, the wind was south at 8 miles an hour. At Fairfield, it was cloudy, temperature was 76 degrees, the wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. Elsewhere around the region, at Memphis, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 93. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 82 at Rolla, Missouri, and 91 at Nashville. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 84 at Terre Haute, 80 at Decatur, Illinois, 82 at St. Louis, and 85 at Evansville.
The current time is 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The current time is 12:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Heat and humidity will build into the area through midweek. High temperatures in the lower 90s, combined with increasing humidity, will result in heat index readings this afternoon between 100 and 105 degrees, mainly across parts of southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, and the purchase area of western Kentucky. Temperatures and heat indices may be held down a few degrees in some areas due to thunderstorm activity and which result in cloud cover. The heat and humidity will continue to build east Monday through Wednesday as an upper-level high expands over the southern states. The entire region will be impacted eventually, including southwest Indiana and the Penn-Riley region of western Kentucky. The heat index will likely exceed 105 degrees each afternoon across much of the Quad States region. Headlines for the which will likely be required. Plan on taking the necessary precautions to deal with the heat in the coming days. Looking at the latest weather map, upper-level energy pattern and heat moisture is expected to spread showers and thunderstorms across all or part of the area today and tonight. Beyond that, a large upper-level ridge over the southern plains will gradually spread northeastward over our area early this week. This will result in increasingly hot and more humid conditions with heat indices over 100 degrees area-wide by Monday and lasting through Wednesday. Actual high temperatures will be in the low to mid-90s with lows holding in the 70s. Shower and thunderstorm chances will spread southeastward across the region today, then gradually shift northeastward into southwest Indiana tonight and Monday. The best chance of area-wide precipitation is expected to be Wednesday into Wednesday night with the approach and passage of a cold front. The upper-level energy associated with the front will suppress the upper ridge back to our southwest. This combined with high pressure at the surface will result in cooler temperatures and lower humidities for the latter half of the upcoming week.
Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast this afternoon. Mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 5 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 70s. Northeast winds 5 miles per hour in the evening, shifting to the east after midnight. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds 5 miles per hour in the morning, shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Highest heat index readings around 106. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. North winds 5 miles per hour in the evening, shifting to the east after midnight. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. South winds 5 miles per hour in the morning, shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Highest heat index readings around 108. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the 50s.
Where around the region, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 83 at Louisville, 83 at Memphis, and 80 at Jackson, Tennessee. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 72 at Somerset, 82 at St. Louis, and 79 at Cape Girardeau. At Terre Haute, it was cloudy with a temperature of 75.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ91 on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz, located near Madisonville, Kentucky. Also, NOAA Weather Radio Station KX26 at 162.450 megahertz, transmitting from Hopkinsville, Kentucky. These stations serve Kentucky's Central region. This broadcast originates at NOAA's National Weather Service Forecast Office in Paducah. The current time is 11:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Looking at the latest weather map, upper-level ridge over the southern plains will gradually spread northeastward toward the area by Tuesday, with the transition pattern in place and weak disturbances moving through in the northwest flow aloft. Precipitation chances can be ruled out this evening through Tuesday. Best chances will exist over the northern half of counties. High temperatures will gradually rise into the low to mid-90s the next several days, with high humidity resulting in heat indices over 100 at most locations. A cold front drops into the lower Ohio Valley on Wednesday with a chance of precipitation along with it. In the wake of this system, cooler and less humid conditions will move in as surface high pressure dominates our weather Thursday through Saturday.
Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast. Weather outlook. For tonight, isolated thunderstorms may develop across the area toward morning. Current information suggests no severe storms are expected. Looking ahead, isolated thunderstorms may be seen across the area Sunday morning, but no severe storms are expected. Scattered thunderstorms may develop Sunday afternoon east of the Mississippi. A few of these storms could become strong to severe. The main threats with any severe storm would be damaging winds and large hail. Tuesday through Friday, there are periodic chances for thunderstorms. The threat for severe weather appears low at this time. Spotter activation will not be needed tonight.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXO61 in Cedar Rapids. The current time is 2:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
At 2 a.m. at Cedar Rapids, skies were clear. The temperature was 70 degrees, dew point 70, relative humidity 100%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. At Iowa City, skies were clear. The temperature was 72 degrees, dew point 69, relative humidity 90%. The wind was calm, and the pressure was 29.90 inches and steady. Close to home, Burlington clear in 70. Dubuque partly cloudy in 71. Independence 68. Monticello 68. Muscatine 73. The Quad Cities clear in 74. Vinton 70. Washington 70. Waterloo clear in 74. Across the Midwest, Chicago partly cloudy in 73. Des Moines partly cloudy in 74. Kansas City partly cloudy in 69. Minneapolis partly cloudy in 75. Omaha partly cloudy in 75. St. Louis partly cloudy in 80. Once again at 2 a.m. at Cedar Rapids with clear skies. The temperature was 70. At Iowa City with clear skies. The temperature was 72. Friday, partly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. And Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Highs in the upper 70s.
You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, AX58, serving Yorkville, Aurora, DeKalb, and Ottawa.
A flood warning flooding continues for portions of the following rivers in Indiana. Wabash River. Minor flooding and elevated river levels will continue through this week along the Wabash River in western Indiana. Much of the river from Lafayette to Hudsonville will have been above flood stage for more than 8 weeks. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Motorists should never drive into flood water. Turn around and go another way. Keep children away from flooded areas. Recreational and agricultural interests should remain alert to changing river conditions. For detailed flood information, go to weather.gov/IND on the web and click on Rivers and Lakes.
This is NOAA Hazard Radio WXK-72 in Putnamville.
Advisories and excessive heat warnings will be in effect for Sunday and Monday afternoons as well. A cold front will move south through the region late Monday and Tuesday, which will bring some relief to the heat by the middle of next week. Dry conditions will continue, with just a slight chance of rain. Here are the latest weather conditions at 10 p.m. At Mountain Home, skies were clear. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 82%. The wind was southeast at 7 miles an hour. The barometer stood at 29.95 inches and was rising. At Hazelwood, skies were clear. The temperature was 79 degrees. At Springfield, skies were clear. The temperature was 80 degrees. At West Plains, skies were clear. The temperature was 76 degrees. At Fayetteville, skies were clear. The temperature was 83 degrees. At Jonesboro, skies were clear. The temperature was 74 degrees. At Russellville, skies were clear. The temperature was 84 degrees. At Little Rock, skies were clear. The temperature was 84 degrees. At Hot Springs, skies were clear. The temperature was 87 degrees, with a heat index of 97 degrees. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WWG 54 in Yellville, Arkansas, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service forecast for north central Arkansas. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour through the late evening, decreasing to 5 miles an hour after midnight. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. South winds 10 miles an hour in the morning, shifting to the southwest in the afternoon. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 5 miles an hour. Monday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. West winds 5 miles an hour in the morning, becoming northwest in the afternoon. The chance of rain 20%. Weather is expected Sunday and Monday. Heat index values may rise above 105 degrees in some areas on Monday, mainly for areas west of Interstate 65. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms will also be possible across the area Monday and Tuesday along, and ahead of an approaching cold front. On a call to action statement, activation of storm spotters of emergency management personnel is not anticipated at this time. The metropolitan area weather conditions at 11 p.m. At Central International Airport, skies were clear. The temperature was 73 degrees. The dew point was 67, making the relative humidity 81%.
At these stages may and will likely increase as precipitation occurs. This product, along with additional weather and stream information, is available at weather.gov/KC.
To stay warm in this cold winter weather, wear several light layers of clothes, rather than one layer of heavy clothing. When wind chill temperatures are low, make sure to cover up as much of your skin as possible to help prevent frostbite, and wear a hat to minimize heat losses. This is NOAA National Weather Service Weather Radio, KCC 85 in Cameron.